हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, यूनिफॉर्मली बाउंड सोलेनोइड ऑफ कॉइल सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस दिया गया है ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, उसकी रेजिस्टेंस भी दी गई है, इज ब्रोकन अप इनटू टू आइडेंटिकल कॉइल्स। तो देखिए, सबसे पहले एक सोलेनोइड दिया है और इसको दो पार्ट में ब्रेक कर दिया। सो लेट अस कॉल, राइट, उसको ब्रेक करने के बाद जो हाफ बचा, तो इसका इंडक्टेंस मान लेते हैं L1 है और इसकी रेजिस्टेंस सपोज कीजिए R1 है, और जो राइट हाफ है उसका इंडक्टेंस मान लेते हैं L2 है और रेजिस्टेंस R2 है, right? So since I know the inductance is directly proportional to length and the resistance is also directly proportional to length, so यहाँ से बोल सकते हैं कि since जो लेंथ जो इसकी हाफ हो चुकी है, so the right, so L1 will become L by 2, where L is the inductance of whole inductor, right? And similarly the R1 will also become R upon 2, बिकॉज लेंथ हाफ हो चुका है, सो रेजिस्टेंस भी हाफ हो जाएगा, और चूंकि लेंथ हाफ हुआ है तो इंडक्टेंस भी हाफ हो जाएगा, राइट? एंड सिमिलरली आई कैन से, राइट, सो दिस विल बिकम हाउ मच, L1, इट इज इनिशियली इट इज गिवन 1.8 into 10 power minus 4, so this will become 0.9 into 10 power minus 4, and the resistance will become 6 ohm half, so it will become 3 ohm. Okay, similarly I can talk about L2 and R2 also. So the L2 will also be L upon 2 and R2 will also be become R upon 2. So L upon 2, once again from here I can say 0.9 into 10 raised to power minus 4, and here the resistance will also be 3 ohm. Okay, now it is saying the inductors are, okay, so now you can say these identical coils are then connected in parallel across 15 volt battery. So let us connect it now. So it is saying both the inductors are connected in parallel with 15 volt battery. Okay, so this is your L1 R1, this is your L2 R2, right? So I can, राइट, सो इन दोनों इंडक्टर को रिप्लेस किया जा सकता है एक इक्विवेलेंट इंडक्टर से, वही मैं करने जा रहा हूं। तो राइट, इसको मैं एक इक्विवेलेंट इंडक्टर से रिप्लेस कर दिया एंड उसको बोल रहा हूँ एल इक्विवेलेंट, एंड सिंस दोनों इंडक्टर का रेजिस्टेंस भी है तो एक आर इक्विवेलेंट भी आएगा, तो उसको ले लिया मैंने आर इक्विवेलेंट, एंड बैटरी विल रिमेन सेम, दैट इज योर 15 वोल्ट बैटरी। Okay, now I need to find the L equivalent. So, oh sorry, these are connected in parallel, my mistake. See, right, just wait for a minute. These are connected, it is given in the question, they are connected in parallel, so it will go something like this. This, okay, and there's a 15 volt battery, okay. This is, let's suppose L1 R1, this is, let us suppose L2 R2. Okay, now L equivalent will be how much? See, L equivalent will be L1 into L2 upon L1 plus L2, right? So both L1 L2 is L upon 2. See here, so this will become L upon 2 into L upon 2, and L1 upon 2 plus L2 upon 2. So you can easily say the denominator will become L and upper will become L square upon 4. So you will get here L upon 4. So that is equal to L is C 0, right, 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 4 upon 4. So this becomes L equivalent. Similarly, I can say R equivalent will be equal to, both are in parallel. So once again R equivalent will also be 3 into 3 upon 3 plus 3. So that will become 9 upon 6, and that becomes 3 upon 2 ohm. Okay, now it is saying in the question what is the time constant for the current in the circuit. So time constant is will be equal to L equivalent upon R equivalent. So similarly you can say the L equivalent is, see how much, 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 4 upon 4, and R equivalent is 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2. So we'll get here 0.6, and this will become 2. So we'll get here 0.3 into 10 is power minus 4 second. So the time constant is coming this much. Now it is saying the steady current through the battery. So as you all know, in the steady state condition, this inductor will behave like resistance free conductor. Okay, so and the steady state, this will behave like resistance free conductor, or you can say like normal wire. So here in the steady state, I will become, right, V upon R equivalent, because this is behaving like resistance free wire. So V is given how much, 15, and the R equivalent is C you have got here. R equivalent is 3 upon 2, so 3 upon 2, so you will get 10 ampere. Okay, so here you are getting 10 ampere, and here you are getting 0.3 into 10 power minus 4 second. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.